have any damage other than water damage because the water just came pouring in.
Right. Well, if you need to, like, when I get up here, you can see it. We can see it like a lot different up here.
Okay.
Because yeah, look how low y'all sit.
Yeah,
Yes,
you're right.
too.
You're right. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. What's happening on the other side, Scott? What's happening on the other side? Is my wall okay? Oh, I can hear it.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay. It's completely suspended now.
Okay. It's off the walls?
It's off. It's off. It's not on anything.
Okay.
You okay? Well, yeah, you want
I'm
water?
okay, I'm okay, I'm okay. I'm just
Wine?
trying to keep it
Here?
together.
It's afternoon. I got all flavors.
Are they pulling it up over?
That's what it is right now. This is my wife.
Hi,
This is
Kim.
one.
Linda.
Linda.
I almost said Judy.
Nah, well.
And that is my
No,
son.
it's going back down.
And we don't have to wait. We're not doing the main game anymore.
Okay, no test, no test.
No, we should
No
have
test. Just reintroduce again. Just reintroduce again.
It's like, you saw how I did that. This is my wife, Linda. And
Hi, I'm good. I do that all the
My mom
time.
always does that.
Because he forgot.
This is my mom.
I've done that many
it
times.
took me almost 18 months to get ready. So.
If you wouldn't have typed it into my contacts yourself, I wouldn't remember yours.
That's what I've had to do anytime I've gotten neighbors' numbers is put not just their name, I put neighbor,
Neighbor, and which
cross
house?
street next to, you know,
Yeah.
yeah, I wasn't going, what is this?
All my mom friends. One says Erica, Logan's mom.
Oh, yeah.
Susie, Jeff's
yes,
mom.
Yes, yes.
Same.
Who was this? Who was Susie? That is amazing.
Okay,
Look at
I'm
these
going to go
guys
get
just-
the other side so I can see what's happening to my
What?
wall.
Hey, sorry, your
Reagan,
name?
Reagan.
Reagan.
Kim,
Abby.
just come, knock on the door,
Abby.
you need
Yeah.
to,
Yes,
hey,
ma'am.
can I come use your bathroom?
Yes,
Coffee.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Do I need to be back?
They're gonna cut a little bit more. So they're still gonna keep top edges, so they cut a little bit more.
Okay. It's not on the walls anymore, right? It's not on the wall anymore, right?
No. Pretty much the beauty of their house.
Yes, it is. It definitely is.
Like when they want it, it's still a little too heavy. And we're trying to lift it, you know.
Okay, got it.
They would stop the road and look, 'cause he came by. It saw his little truck with his name on there.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I don't know if he came in or not.
Uh, it's my suggestion that he not come over here. You're good, Mark. Swing it over. Yeah, that's what they're gonna do. At least it's off of yours now. At least it's off of yours now. Yeah. And you didn't lose any walls. Exterior walls. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The structural integrity. You might think differently when you get in the house. Yeah. Mark, I've got it focused in over the fence. You walking by is not going to matter.
It's still okay. I still have a grill. You can put hot dogs in there.